everyone. It's Dr. Konya Greer and Lab Assistant Mary from the Institute for Interdisciplinary STEM Education at Georgia Southern University. And today we're going to be talking about force and motion. And Mary, you've talked to me before that an object has to have force on it to move. Is that
Either
right?
a push or a pull.
A push or a pull. And we're going to really demonstrate that today with this great activity that you've come up with.
Yeah.
So why don't you explain a little bit about the activity and we'll show them what it's all about.
Okay, so similar to NASA and their rockets that they propel into space, we're going to use our balloon rocket, and we are going to use the force, which is inside our balloon, which is our air, and have it to accelerate or force. This air is going to force our balloon to run down our string. So we're going to see how well this works. We're also going to try and time it and see whether we can do this numerous times and see what happens. Because, you know, again, as scientists, we like to track our data. So we're going to give this a shot. So what you're going to need for supplies for today is just some basic string. And if you don't have a pull or spool of string, you could use a shoelace. I guess you could tie maybe one long shoelace. But
Fishing line.
Dental floss.
Dental floss, fishing line, any sort of thing that you could string out between two spaces.
Right, and you'll need a straw, some tape, and then some balloons, okay? Just normal, good old balloons, nothing special. And so what we've done, as you can see in our experiment, we've already kind of set this one up for you. And we have our string running across. And we have our balloon on here that's taped like this. We have our straw taped to our balloon. And we've already blown it up, and we've tied it off so that our air can't actually escape at the moment. But, so what we're gonna do, and Dr. Greer, if you will get your timer ready.
I am ready.
I am going to unhinge our force and see what happens. Okay, are we ready?
We're ready.
Get set.
Let's go.
And go. Oh, all right. How much time did that take?
That was about 2 seconds.
Whew, that was fast.
That was really fast. So would the size of the balloon make a difference on how fast it's going to go?
I mean, I would think so, because it's going to have more air in a bigger balloon. So that's one way that we could kind of change this up, is use small balloons or less air in a balloon, or add more air to a balloon. That's an option. And then we can tie this on and try this one and see what happens if you want.
Okay, let's try it.
All right, hang on a sec. Let's get it ready. And we're ready. Okay,
Ready?
on your mark, get set, go. Woo!
Wow.
That one had a lot of force behind it.
That did have a lot of force. That took it took less than a second to get down there. And you know what's interesting, Mary, is if we didn't have this stop down here, that balloon would have kept going.
It definitely would. Go.
So this is really something interesting and fun that you can try at home. You can try it with different sizes of balloons. You could also try, stringing up something a little bit longer. You can try running two balloons into each other, see what happens. Write down your hypotheses though. What would happen if I had a larger balloon and longer string, or a shorter balloon and smaller string? And then do your experiment and write up your conclusions. What happens if you put fins or wings on these? Does that make the balloon go faster or slower?
Maybe it'll make it spiral.
Maybe it'll make it spiral. Could you make it spiral? There's all sorts of different things you can do with this activity to really think about how to make it better. What happens if your string is wet? Does that make a difference because of friction inside the tube that you're sending it down with? So
Good question.
come up with a hypothesis that you want to study, talking about force and motion. See what you can come up with. Make sure you collect your data, which is your speed at which you're going down, or the time it takes, the size of your balloon, how long your string is, and then write up your conclusions based on your experiment.
Lots of fun. Different ideas.
It is
right?
fun. And you can set them up and race your friends though.
Oh, that's even better.
That's a great opportunity.
See if you can beat mom, dad, whoever. Brothers, sisters. Have fun.
Have fun with it. Bye.
See you later.
I think mine won. Mine won.
They circle.